Jack used to stay with us. He came at the height of his fame because he was probably too famous to stay in a hotel. He didn't like, he liked the privacy. And, you know, I remember the first day he came, we were all out playing soccer.
We were huge anticipation, you know, huge. And me and my brother Mark were up the front garden and showing off our soccer skills and pretend, just waiting for him to come in the door so he might pick us or he might put us to England or something like that. He used to drop us to school. We thought we were the bees knees, you know, Jack Charlton dropping us to primary school. He was full of mischief. I remember one day there was a couple from Athlone staying, and he came into the kitchen and said, "Jan, you're stressed out trying to get the 5 kids after school. Here, show me these plates." And he went in and served them their breakfast. And they looked up and said, "Wow, Jack." So they got an awful shock. That's the kind of messer he was as well, you know. Very fond memories of Jack.